that I'm gonna upload. Thank you guys. Love you so much. So what I'm going to talk about today is actually the parts of drone and how to connect them. Some people they really just heard of drone when it comes to connection and other stuff. It's like kind of that is difficult. But I want to say something. It's not actually that difficult. Once you follow this video, you can actually make your drone. So let me dive into the first part of it that I need to explain to you. The first one is the frame. The frame that you're going to use for your drone. This one is very important. The frame is just like skeleton, human skeleton, the backbone. Because without the backbone, we can't actually do anything. Without our skeleton, what are we? Do we even have shape? Oh, we wouldn't even have shape, So the bone is actually what shape us and what makes us who we are. So that's how important the frame is to drone. So there are lots of drones, different types, different sizes, different colors based on the type of drone you want to do. So you gotta consider checking some kinds of drone frame in Amazon.com or Alibaba.com. So they have different types of frame that you like. If you are someone like me, I like doing new things. I like using my brain, So I see a need to bring something out. There are lots of stuff here. What the problem is, if I don't make use of it, I won't actually know what's in it. So I have to think something new and try to do my own frame that will suit the type of drone I want to do. So you just need to get your drone. Once you get your drone, the next thing you need to get is the power supply board. The power supply board is actually important because without that board, I don't know the kind of drone you even want to make without a power board. So you really need a power board, by the way. So the power board is in this form. Just like this my panel from here. You can see. So it contains some kind of resistors and transistors and all of that stuff that receive information from each other. So once the power supply board is connected to a LiPo battery, it takes the power, lower it to some lower volts, because not everything can take the high voltage that's in the battery. Not all the components in the drone can take the high voltage that's in the battery. So the power supply board will now step it down, like you see in the image there. You see the ESC, it's 4 ESC. So now, once the power enters from the battery, you step it down, send it to the ESC, and now the ESC will now send it to the motors that it's going to use, because 4 ESC, 4 motors. Each ESC, each motor. So that's how you're going to connect. And you can see the receiver there. Yeah, because the receiver actually connected to the power supply board, because it will send some information to those DSCs where they know how fast and how slow they can move based on the transmitter they're going to use to send the information. And another one is the control board. Here, okay, the power button comes with the control board, you can see there. So the way they are connected, you can see the wire running from the power supply board to the control board, and the voltage is just 5 volts, and it's 5 volts that the supply board uses. So anything more than that, I'm sure there's going to be a problem. Maybe overheat or just blow up. So you don't need that. You actually spend a lot of money to get that, so you don't need to blow it up. So it needs 5 volts to function. So you can see the signal wire and the LiPo battery wire. So send it to the control board, and from the control board you can see each ESC has 3 wires. So you have the positive, the negative, and the signal wire. This signal wire is what actually sends the information to the ESC. This is how fast you're going to be, and this is how slow you're going to be. So you can see those signal wires are connected to the control board. You can see they have 4 points that they're being connected to. So that is the function of that control board there. And another thing there is, you can see a booster. There's a booster somewhere here. It's kind of a small round stuff as two wires. So that's what tells you that the drone is ready once everything connected, because you're going to hear the sound ping ping, or maybe something like that. You even have some play that going to blink. I tell you the thing is connected and this is it's okay. So another one is the sender, which the one that actually send information to the transmitter you're going to use. It's around the buzzer that you're seeing. So when it comes to the motor, you're going to see there are lots of motors out there, depending on how the kind of drone you want to do and how fast you want it to be. But me, I actually prefer this kind of motors here. You see, they are so kind of flat and nice looking. They work wonderful. So depending on the type of motor you're going to use. So me, I prefer that one. I just show you now. So the motor, just like building a car, we try to tell you how the motors work. Because if I explain everything to you like this without telling you a function of that motor, it's going to be as if you're not actually doing anything. So he's explaining all these things. What about the motors, or what about the blade? Those one I'm going to explain it to you in the other video. So just have to stick to it and watch till the end. So that, and consider to subscribe and like the video, so that next time I drop a new video, you just get the notification that another one is up. So you follow it up step by step till you actually learn how to make your own personal drone, and even design it, make it look presentable anyhow you want to do it. Yeah, you can do it. Just trust me. Just believe you can do it, and you can do it. So the motors there, once they're being connected to the ESC and you power it on, they're going to rotate, they're going to drive. But there's still something else that needs to happen. Just like starting a car and putting it on neutral, then keep on pressing on the throttle, expecting it to drive. No, that's not possible. It's not going to drive. So when you put your motors, you need blade. That's a propeller. So that's when the kind of, can I call it, a gear-like stuff comes in. Because with the propeller, that's when the drone will now be able to fly. There's lots of propellers, the one that's less noise, the one that will just be making noise everywhere, like an helicopter pattern. I know you don't want to be making lots of noise when you want to fly a drone. So I think you're going to go for a simple propeller so that it minimizes the sound. So next thing I'm going to explain in another video is how you're going to set your transmitter and how you're going to couple everything to actually look like the thing you want, which is the drone. So you're going to stay tuned, subscribe to that channel. Just see the subscribe button there, just click, see the bell icon, click, so that you get the notification next time I drop a video. Alright, so you can follow up the video and from the beginning to the end, so that you know how to do your own drone. I'm actually here for you. I'm going to show you everything. Alright, I'm going to show you everything. We are actually learning every day, so I'm going to show you learn anything you need to tell me, or maybe there's something you having trouble with, just drop a comment. I'll talk to you about it, or maybe I will do a video about it, try to explain it to you. If there's something I don't ask, you can actually also drop a comment, so that you know all those things. Yeah, so I love you guys. I really love you so much. So please consider subscribe to my channel and on the bell icon, so that you get notification at all time once I drop a video. Love you guys, and just subscribe to the So that I'm gonna wish you happy birthday. That's so cool. So man, see you in the other video.